Hello, I'm Mrs. Lim, your math tutor. In today's lesson, I'm going to continue with replacement type of questions. I will give you 10 seconds. You can go ahead and read through the question. Are you done? Alright, let's answer question A. What is the total cost of one dress and two blouses? The question tells us that Mrs. Ng has $372 and she needs $44 more in order to buy all three items. So $372 plus $44, the answer is $416. We are done with question A. That's easy, correct? Let's move on to question B. As we know, one dress and two blouses cost $416. We can create an equation like this. Can you see that? There are two unknowns in this equation. There's no way we can find the cost of one blouse through this equation, right? However, the question has given us another piece of information to help us find the answer, which is each dress costs twice as much as each blouse. From this sentence, can you tell which item is more expensive? The dress, correct? Based on the sentence, if one blouse costs 1 unit, then how many units should I put for the dress? 2 units, right? Now, how does this model drawing help us find the answer? Pay attention to this part. This is the most important part which you need to focus on. I'm going to show you how to transform this model drawing into something that can help us find the answer. Are you ready? Can you tell the cost of one dress is equivalent to 2 blouses? Can you? If you understand this part, then we can assume 1D equals 2B. Then how about the B? The cost of 1B can only buy half of D. Can you see that? So we can assume 1B equals half of D. If you're still confused by this part, let me show you an example. Can you imagine if the cost of one blouse is $2? How much does one dress cost? $4, correct? With $4, how many blouses can you buy? 2, correct? With $2, you only can buy half of the dress. Are you with me? After this part is done, we can use the replacement method. If you have watched my previous video on the replacement method, you can pause the video here and try to do it yourself. If not, let's do this together. Now we know 1D equals 2B. Then we can replace this 1D with 2B. Bear in mind, we also have the option to replace 2B with 1D. However, in this situation, I chose to replace 1D with 2B. Take a look at this new equation. It has only one unknown. Yahoo! If you continue with the calculation, you should be able to get $104 for one blouse. So the answer for question B is $104. How do you find this type of question? Easy? Let me know and leave your comments down below. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a like. If you want to watch my free lesson every week, please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos in future. Now we're in part 2. Are you ready to apply what you have just learned? You are given 3 minutes to work on this question. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! out the answer.